I'm gonna get the scissors to do a better cut than that. Just like it to stick up a little bit. Okay, there's that part. You can see all the way around. And then I'm gonna need a little bit bigger piece. Lost a little bit of his hair there. That's okay. Okay, this has to go all the way around. Let's try it out. What I'm gonna do, whoops, I just lost a piece there, is the cape behind, just kind of fold it up. This needs to be trimmed. And then if I want to give it a little movement, I'll put some water wherever I want it to stick. Okay, then we'll do like a little tie type thing, which you won't see all of because we're going to put one more piece of lace up there with the little pendant. We'll do it in two pieces so that we can actually have it hang down. Okay, gotta wash my hands, so we'll take a little break because I'm gonna be dealing with the white again. Okay, so I'm back to the lace mold here. And what I wanted to do is just place two pieces right here. So let me just kind of scrunch it up, pop it right there, down. And then the other one, kind of scrunch it up again. Like that. And then I was going to put this right in the middle. It's going to hit his chin. Okay, so I'm going to cut this top one off. Whoops. And a little buttercream. So that goes there. Okay. All right. So now we can go ahead and do the painting. We'll go ahead and start with a little, start with the airbrush again. Do the silver where I started to do it inside here. So inside the glasses. Do another coat in there. All right, anything else silver? I think we're good unless I want anything else on the tray. How about this one just in case? Then I need to go back and do like I had done here on that shirt part. Try not to get the face. I think I'm going to do a little bit down here and see. It's kind of splattering, but I kind of like it. Okay, I think I'm done with the airbrush. The rest is going to be hand painted. Okay, so we're going to go to gold.